Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, guys? Thanks for jumping back into another video. Today we're going to check out Harmony One, again one of our favorite projects. We know we've got these awesome DeFi play to earn projects, but we've also got that Bitcoin bridge on the way. So some really good news for Harmony. And before we do jump in, make sure you just smash that subscribe button. I know like 90% of my viewers are not subscribed, so if you do keep coming back, you might as well just hit that subscribe button once you're at it, guys. That'd be really great. And one thing I'd love you to do as well is just join that Discord down below. You can see we've got a really big community going on at the moment. Lots of new people, new names, and everyone is like having a chat and talking about different DeFi projects and so on and so on. So see you in there. Go say hi. Coin stats. So Harmony bets on Bitcoin Ethereum bridges to improve cross-chain ecosystem. Decentralized platform Harmony saw renewed traction this month. Its native cryptocurrency One reaped benefits of the interest after hitting a low of 13 cents on 4th December. So the token has really seen a nice rise in its valuation since then, and we know that Harmony One is a layer 1 contract platform, so it's one of the infrastructure tokens, and it's going to be really good when it does bridge with Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's going to bring a lot of growth and add extra value in for it. So this is something that we can look forward to in the near future. Very bullish article, this one here. The post Harmony bets on Bitcoin Ethereum bridges to improve cross-chain ecosystem, and that's what I think is going to happen. We might see a big price surge on when this does actually happen, because more people will be using the network. Harmony One trading at 0.20, rank 58. We've got a big pump on that daily candle, 12.7%, looking pretty juicy. And I think we're anticipating further continuation to the upside. That's what we want to see. We look at the ROI on this, it's 6,300%. That is ridiculous. Literally 2.3 billion market cap. So it's still a very strong project. What's happened recently in a few videos that we might have like seen, you know, you'd be up already a good 15%. I was talking about the consolidation within this descending triangle here, how we had a massive amount of resistance along the 0.19, a big amount of resistance on this symmetrical triangle. We've broken up to the upside, so it's really good to see. 4-hour time frame, we're a little bit over extended on that 20-day moving average, and we're also quite high on the relative strength index, but there's no particular bearish divergence at all. But what we've seen on this descending triangle in this consolidation area is a nice pump to the upside, and it looks like we're getting a good bull flag on the hourly time frame. And I'd like to anticipate that we're going to break to the upside of this bull flag, guys, because we know that we've got some great news coming for the One ecosystem, as well as all the DeFi play to earn systems that run on the chain, such as DeFi Kingdoms, which is a really cool play to earn game. Now I think we're going to break to the upside of this symmetrical triangle within the next 2 days or so. So I'm anticipating a break to the upside to this key resistance area at 0.21 cents. So that's just a small pump of around, 3%. Whack on some leverage. Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. No, I'm serious. Trade responsibility and responsible trading, responsibility and risk adversity. Keep that in mind, guys. So always wait for the retest, wait for the volume. Make sure you have a stop loss, because I have been bitten in the arse by some big liquidations in the past, and I'm sure everyone has experienced that and do not want to experience it again. So yeah, we're going to probably get a pump to the upside at that 0.21. That could be a take profit zone from here, or if you want to wait and see, you could even hold and see if we break through the 0.21, because the next key resistance level for me is going to be this big diagonal support resistance right there, and of course the 0.24, which is reflected from this massive wick over here. So if we go to the daily time frame, we zoom out, it's a complete mess, to be honest, but we've got this similar lull to last time. This phase reminds me of December, and we're getting the same thing. What happened before was we had a huge pump to the upside. You're looking at around 100%, and if we assumed we did the same thing, we'd be coming to about $0.34 in the near future should that happen. But we do have a lot of these big resistances to break through, so I'm not getting too excited too soon. But I think what will happen is we're going to come up, test this 0.21 level, and then break up to about 0.22, and then move forward to the 0.24 level, which is all the resistance here, before, you know, targeting that 0.25 level. So lots of resistance, guys. All that red is resistance there. Of course, we flipped this level back into support, which looks really good at the 0.18. So Harmony, very, very bullish. I think it's a great project. My long-term target, if we go to the weekly time frame, is actually all the way at $0.5, and I think that's very realistic given that we only have a 2.3 billion market cap. So this is one of those I would be dollar cost averaging when I get the opportunity. Of course, on the fib retracement, we came all the way back down. It was a huge weekly red candle. So I think we're due a few good weekly green candles if the rest of the market can pick up with it. We can even see when we look at the Fibonacci extension, you know, some key areas of support. A resistance is this 2.36, so this 0.21 level is also a very big area of resistance. And if you do break through that resistance level, then we are going to be, you know, seeing some bigger swing highs, putting some higher highs, and maybe we're going to continue that big uptrend there. That would be excellent to see. So before I wrap this video up, guys, make sure you do join that Discord down below. Where are you? You're over here. So we're getting new people come in every day. There's about 70 of you at the moment, amazing people with different backgrounds. So do join the Discord channel. If you want to become a patron as well, please do so. Thank you so much to the current patrons I got here. You will receive premium access in the Discord, one-on-one messaging. You'll also unlock my ebook, which has been given to a few of my patrons and they loved it so far, as well as some other buyers that have actually purchased it. So do consider that to support the journey, and I really appreciate the love that you're giving this channel, guys. See you in the next one. Leave suggestions down below and have a good day.